Hey, in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the questions you should ask when you're looking to buy a franchise unit. My name is Dan Nguyen, and I'm a franchise attorney in California. And recently, a couple of people came to me looking to buy franchise units. And so I thought I'd share with you some of the questions you should be asking if you're looking to buy into a franchise system. So one of the important things to know about good franchise systems is whether they have a really good system. And what I mean by system is how long have they been around? How many franchisees do they have? How many happy franchisees are? What other businesses do the principals are they in or they have experience in, right? A lot of people is gonna you're gonna want to know like how much money can I make, and unfortunately, it kind of varies. And so certainly ask that question, but you probably get a very answer or non-committal answer. Uh, Certainly, once you get the FDD, take a look at the list of the franchisees and reach out to as many as you can. I think this will be your best source of experience with the franchise system. So call up as many as you can. Ask questions like, how long have you been in the system? What do you like about the system? If there are things that you can change, what would it be? How is it dealing with their support? Are they responsive? What other ways are they supportive of their franchisees, right? Do they give grace, meaning, if there's some technical violations of the franchise agreement, do they work with you to get that fixed rather than sending you, default letters? Okay. How many franchise units do you own? So I think it's always a good sign if franchisees own multiple units. Okay. And usually it's a case where people buy what's called area development agreements, where they'll buy like packs of 3, packs of 10, and they kind of have a territory and they're responsible for opening that many stores. And then if that's the case, like how many have they purchased? How many are they operating right now? Or if not, if you had the funds, would you invest or open another one? Okay. Ask hard questions of the franchisor, right? They need you as much as you need them in some instances, right? And so especially if it's a very new franchisor, right? How's your training like? Do you come out here to your particular location, or do you as the franchisee have to fly to their home state to train? Now, most of the questions you'll ask the franchisor will actually be inside the 200-page document you receive that's known as the FDD. But what you want to do is confirm what the franchisor rep says to the FDD, because if there's a dispute, you can only rely on what's in the four corners of that agreement. Okay, so use it as to confirm what the franchisor is saying, right? If you're looking to a system that's fairly new, you have a lot more leeway in terms of negotiations, lower royalty, lower franchise fee, lower different things, higher support. So you have a lot more leverage because what they're trying to do is trying to get more people into their system. But on the flip side is that they are not as developed as more experienced and more established systems. So they may not have the obviously the experience of being a franchisor or the resources of a full blown system with, like, say 100 franchise units, right? So on the other side of the spectrum, if you have really experienced franchisors that have hundreds of franchisees, you can generally expect that they have a pretty good system because they don't get that size by running a poor system. Okay, but still ask the hard questions. Talk to all the franchises. In these scenarios, it's pretty hard to negotiate terms, but certainly ask the hard questions and see if they're right fit for you. In one scenario, like the potential franchisee was communicated with the rep, but the rep was unresponsive, right? And if it's a smaller system, usually the reps are are the principals. They could be the trainers as well. But that could be an indication of what it might be like working with that system. So it's kind of take all these things to account, right? It's hard to take off the rose-colored glasses and this money-making opportunity, but come on it with a level head, with understanding it is going to be hard work, but it is a potential new source of income if you're supplementing to something else, and a whole new world if you're not into this type of venture. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. We can assist you in your franchising process, whether you are buying or setting up a franchise system. I'd love to see if we can help. Check out all the other videos on franchising. And if you are looking to purchase, good luck to you on your new venture, and we hope to talk to you.